Here we go again. Welcome back to the next video in the Truck Camper Build series. If you're new here, this is a series of a truck camper build, complete build, brand new, using old parts, using an old Sunline camper. Follow along. There's a playlist. You can see the whole thing. We got over 50 parts. I think we're at 60. I don't even know anymore. I can't even keep track. But we got so many parts. If you want to see it, you can binge watch it if you want, like you're watching Netflix. I don't even care. The day has finally come that we are going to push this camper outside. It's going to see sunlight. It's going to see rain. It better be ready. Do you think it's ready? We'll find out. Stay tuned. You'll see it. We'll get it outside. And then after that, we're going to get the camper tie-down brackets on the 78. Stay tuned.
At least 100-some-thousand car if it was a Z20 big one, 69. Yeah.
What you got to do?
Well, start pushing, I guess.
Yeah. Start.
See if we can get it to go straight. All right. Is everybody in position?
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Okay,
easy. Slow, slow, slow. You see where it's guided? Going onto the board. Push, 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 push. Okay.
I think if we come pretty straight and just wiggle the back depth.
So which way we gotta go? Just straight or?
Yep. Keep going straight.
Yep, go ahead. Okay, hold.
Yeah. I guess it cleared so far. I didn't look.
Kind of
Well,
jam.
maybe we should go half a caster.
Yeah, I don't want to be stuck.
Should we go half?
Go.
It's gotta go a little bit towards
Keep pushing. Oh.
Stop.
Yeah, look at the roof.
And I have 7'11" folding this flap, and the highest point in the camper is the ladder. With the ladder, are you guys ready? With the ladder from the ground, it's 7'10" and 3/4. So that's 1/4 of an inch of clearance to get this out.
In reality, to me, it looks like it's gonna hit.
It's gonna hit the rubber seal. I told you, it's 1/4.
I think it's more.
It's gonna be 1/4 of an inch.
I mean, that flexes down when you sit
It's gonna be 1/4 of an inch.
Okay. We're gonna find out shortly.
1, 2, 3.
What's it look like?
All right, hold on.
You're good.
Hold on.
Well, it's gonna clear it. We're gonna clear it.
1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Wow. All right. Okay.
How we look up?
All right, let's look up front. We're still on. This caster had enough.
Yeah,
That one's gonna go down.
Yep.
So can we just push straight and then point out pull them out?
Yeah, just straight.
All right.
There might be more weight on.
Are we good?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. I gotta push it over. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
That's good. There we go.
Got a beef on that one.
Yeah. So I never really explained because we were just rushing to get this done. What we did for the design for the camper tie-down brackets, I used just a square tubing that's pretty heavy wall thickness that I got at a material salvage yard, and then we welded it with another piece of tubing that slipped inside of that tubing, and then just welded a tab here, drilled a hole, and that accepted for these turnbuckles, which are the original old style fast guns that I got used for a decent deal. Now for the front ones, there needs to be a modification done, but they work for the time being. They just need stronger gusseting. What we did was we welded off the we welded up a frame, or welded up a bracket, right? That came off of existing holes that were in the bottom flange of the frame rail. So that was nice to use existing holes. And then we lined that up so that it would clear below the fuel tank. These are saddle tanks on these square body trucks. But this gusset here, I don't have a torch. I don't have acetylene torches. So we couldn't bend 3/8 thick steel easily. So we used this 3/16 steel, and that's obviously not enough. So I want to put angle there or something. But so if anybody else is doing this, you definitely need to support it pretty decent, because this gets like a lateral pull. It pulls this way as well because of the way the tie downs are. It's just not strong enough. Now on the other side, it works. It just bends a little bit. So it's not strong enough, but it works temporarily. And then for the holes, we've used hitch pins that you'd use, like a smaller style ones, and just lined up the holes. And the key is here, when you slip this in here, you don't want to center the holes, because you don't want to center the holes on both of the tubing, because then you'll put all the shear stress onto the pin. So you want to pull it all the way up, then mark where to drill the holes, so that you don't have any stress on that pin, or all of the stress on that pin. This rear bar, we just went, I don't have a hitch on this truck, a true hitch, so we just went on the bottom of the bumper mounts and just welded it right in there. It worked, so that's what we got. Passenger side is identical. So just to show you what it's like and how we have it set up here, give you some visuals. There you go. Tried to keep them inboard but also functional at the same time, and seems to be working.